What do you want to watch, kids? I guess so. Hey guys, welcome back. Let me get in the car. Guys, I relaxed my hair. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. I am Mrs. K. You can call me whatever you prefer. So today's a Sunday. My cousin and I just left church. We came to church this morning. I had a pretty rough weekend. I won't lie. I was so busy catering, doing nails, everything in between. I was basically just working. Well, with the kids though, we had a cute, cozy night in. I'm gonna put a clip here. They had hot chocolate. I was so tired from eating every single thing in the house, so I didn't have hot chocolate. And then the next morning, what did we get up to? Oh, my cousin made breakfast for us while we were preparing a lunch for a party and a fruit table. It looks so cute. I don't have much content from that, so honestly I didn't vlog. But today we are going to Corner Couch. We're gonna go to Corner Couch. We're first gonna pass by Airport Junction because Melinda has a trip coming up. She's preparing for that, so she needs to get like a couple of stuff. So we're gonna go to Airport Junction and then we're gonna go for lunch, go Corner Couch. Melinda, they have like a bride situation that's really nice, so we're gonna do that. And then I don't know what we're gonna do. Hey guys, I was dancing in church, so because I'm asthmatic, I'm kind of running out of breath. But yeah, I just thought let me start this vlog now. We'll see what we get up to later.
Chose to stay, big mistake. Play the game, should've never given it away. No, I didn't mean to. You get hurt at all. I appreciate the time with you. My heart is when I'm with you. I don't think we're compatible. It's just impossible. No, we all kinda selfish, baby. Please don't judge me, please don't. I think I need to. I just need to go ahead and leave.
My cousin baked these goodies.
If you are lonely, please don't fall in love with me. You don't even know me. I leave you lonely.
Morning. How did you sleep? Just fine. Hey guys, my neighbor's volume is finally done. Oh my god. Hey guys, today is a Monday. But the flies all over this house. Today is a Monday. Yesterday, my cousin Melinda and I went to Corner Couch. Oh my god. We had pork, a brailing, we had borose brailing as well. They ordered paleche, and then I got rice. We got that gravy, spinach rape, and 2 coleslaw salads. It was really nice. It was really. Oh, we also had the chicken kebabs with bacon, I think. Well, they were really nice. Like, we finished everything. And then we had the Virgin daiquiri. Oh my god, guys, if you ever go to Couch, please have the Virgin daiquiri. It's so nice, so refreshing. I guarantee you're gonna enjoy it. It's so sweet. I love it. I have a sweet tooth, so I love it. Melinda doesn't have a sweet tooth, but she really enjoyed it. She was the first one to order it, and my cousin and I tasted. They were like, yeah, we're definitely getting this on. So yeah, today my kids are actually with their grandmother. She dropped them off this morning because she had a meeting at work, but she will be with them, I think, around Wednesday, Thursday, somewhere around there. Hey, what am I doing? She will be with them until Wednesday or Thursday, somewhere around there. So we'll see. I need to undo their hair and probably just do, I don't know, maybe like box braids or something very simple for the school holidays. So this morning they came here. My cousin made breakfast. She was still here, and then I don't think I've vlogged anything because I think I'm catching a flu of some sort. So this evening I just made very quick noodles. It's just a stir fry. I think you guys might have seen that. No, actually, I'm gonna put the clip after this because now the vlog won't make sense. So I'm gonna put the section where I was cooking the stir fry after this, and then when we get back from that, I will be sitting on my couch watching a movie. I'm actually watching CSI. I might watch a movie or Namhla's vlog that she posted yesterday. We'll see what we get up to. I have the whole evening to myself anyway, so we will use that to catch up. So yo, hey, what's up? That was so much for me to say.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting close. And we both know it's wrong. Can't keep this for long. All that's going on. So, are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you
You want a blueberry lime official fruit on Valentine's?
got it on below. Got a hunger she don't need to know what's going on. It won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the
Every time I try and update this vlog, my neighbor starts blasting music. Can you guys hear that? guys are literally in my cupboard. I'm gonna make myself some hot chocolate. Monyadi has put me on a series on Netflix. It's called The Glory. It's actually a K-drama. I haven't watched a K-drama in over 10 years, you guys. I used to watch those a lot growing up, so I'm quite excited for that. Actually, I'm still on episode 1, so I don't have much to say. So yeah, let's have this hot chocolate. Hi.
Hi.
How are you, girl?
Sick.
Huh? You're sick? What is that?
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to give up. Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me.
Good morning, guys. Today's a Wednesday and my kids just got here. I'm gonna be spending the day with them. For the most part, I wanna do their hairs because Sanatla is gonna plait them tomorrow. I also need to soak off this hand. I'm done with this one. I think I'll do my nails tomorrow or Friday. I just wanted to keep them short because I've been cooking a lot lately, so it always feels weird catering with long nails, though they are my nails, but still. I don't think they can see you. Okay.
Hi.
Thanks.
What time is it?
Huh. How many ice do you want? 3. Are you also putting ice in? Are you guys sleeping? Hello? Good night. But when sorry, it's McDonald's. It's my love, I'm bad. Oh my god, you guys, I finally got the chance to edit this vlog. I'm gonna post it overnight. It's gonna be live tomorrow on YouTube, so you guys can watch it. So I just wanted to come here and close the vlog. Obviously my hair is not done. The kids did their hair. It's been over a week since I vlogged anything, and I wanted to close off the vlog. I know it wasn't as eventful as I wanted it to be, honestly, because there was work in between, and when I'm working I won't be able to vlog. I didn't do my nails like I said I wanted to do my nails. There's just a lot that I wanted to do in this vlog that I was not able to do. But hey, I started a new vlog and I'm doing so much better that side, so you guys will definitely see it. That's Riley. Lily's currently taking a nap. So yeah, Sanatla came to do all our hair. She did cornrow with braid extension. She did knotless braids on Riley, and then Lilindla did a carrot, like a very nice,
What I did last time.
yeah, the hairstyle that Riley had last time. I think she really liked it. So yeah, that's it from me and this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. I hope you guys will subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and that you will share this vlog with anybody who you think will enjoy this content. I think I'm also coming up with flu. There's just a lot going on, guys. There's a lot going on. But yeah, I'm so sorry there was no vlog last week. Honestly, work just had me by the neck, and also me being with the kids. I've been with the kids since last week, so I can't vlog when they're here. I can't really do much apart from just showing you guys like the b-roll, but I want to be talking in between my vlogs just to update you guys about what's going on, what's happening, just so you have context. But yeah, bye guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
My kids shot a clip where they're showing you guys glow in the dark slime. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So I'm just gonna put the clip right after this, because they're gonna kill me if I don't put it in this vlog, because the bay in asking ma'am, when are you getting a vlog? They actually watch my vlogs. So yeah, this is them. They're just gonna show you guys after this. They got it from a crazy store, and they said if it's not glow in the dark, they're literally gonna return it. And then a friend of mine went over to SA, and then she brought them some MacDonalds. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hi, Miss Riley. Bye. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Subscribe.
You see these? You see these? You see these?
See, guys,
You see? And like when you drop it, you can still see it. You can like literally still see it.
Is that two of them?
Yeah, it's no, it's just on the mirror.
Oh, it's the mirror.
So